bringing actors back, and this feels unreal. There is a new wave of artificial intelligence in the United States that is not just technological but deeply emotional, and it's happening inside Hollywood, where AI is now being used to recreate actors in a ways that were impossible before. And this is raising one of the most important questions of all time. Just because we can do anything with AI, does that mean we should? Because what we are seeing is the ability to digitally reconstruct voices, faces, and performances with stunning realism. And while this opens incredible creative possibilities for filmmaking, it also introduces serious ethical concerns about identity, consent, and ownership, and audiences are divided. Some people are amazed by the technology while others feel uncomfortable, even disturbed, because it challenges our understanding of what is real and what is artificial. And this is where things get deeper, because AI is no longer just helping humans create, it is starting to replicate humans themselves, and that changes everything about entertainment, storytelling, and even legacy. And in the United States, this conversation is just beginning, but it's going to grow rapidly because the technology improves. These situations will become more common, and the industry will have to decide where to draw the line. And as viewers, we also have to decide how we feel about. So, what do you think? Tell me in the comment.